If you're using filter or unique in Excel, but not using the hash sign, you're only using half of the power of these functions. This small symbol can turn your dynamic formulas to fully automated systems, but most Excel users still ignore it. So let me show you how it works. When you use the hash sign, also known as the SPIL range operator, you can create a reference that automatically expands or contracts based on the data generated by a dynamic function. Let's see how it works. Here we have a simple dataset, employees, their managers, and their departments. Nothing complicated. But what we're about to do with it is powerful. First, in cell F2, we will use the unique function to pull a list of managers without duplicates. Select the range with the managers, and as soon as we press enter, Excel gives us something important, a SPIL range. The results don't live in just one cell. They spill down automatically. Here's where the magic starts. In cell G2, we're going to sort that list. We reference cell F2 and add the hash sign. Notice what just happened? Excel automatically selected the entire SPIL range. Now use 1 for index and 1 for ascending order. So now we're sorting clean, dynamic, with no hard-coded ranges. Here's the part most people miss. If I change one of the manager's names in the original data, the unique list updates. The sorted list updates, everything adjusts instantly, and we didn't touch a single formula. That's the power of the SPIL range operator. Now let's take it further. In column I, we will use filter to pull all employees from the IT department along with their managers. Again, Excel creates a SPIL range automatically. In cell K2, we sort this data by manager. Select I2, type the hash sign, 2 for index, 1 for ascending order. And just like that, we now have a dynamic filter and sorted view of IT, fully automated. Now watch this. If an employee switches department to IT, they automatically appear in the filter list. If someone leaves IT, they disappear. The SPIL range expands and contracts on its own. No manual adjustments, no resizing formulas, no broken references. That tiny hash symbol is what makes it all work. And here's what makes it even more powerful. The hash sign can be combined with other dynamic functions and even structured references. Once you understand it, you stop building static spreadsheets and start building dynamic systems. If you're serious about mastering Excel, start thinking in SPIL ranges. And if you want to learn how to use Excel more strategically, make sure you subscribe and follow my pages. I'll see you in the next video.